Hey everyone, check out the amazing Squishville Birthday Bash Set featuring 6 exclusive 2-inch plush friends ready to celebrate. Marius, Ruthie, Lomo, Swerl, Bryar, and Brandi come with fantastic party accessories to make your day special. You can squish your friends into 3 fun costumes like a cake, a present, and a party hat. Help your characters burn off their sugar rush inside the fun castle bouncy house. The packaging easily transforms into a pop-up play display with a tiered cake, balloons, and a festive banner backdrop. This complete toy set provides endless birthday fun for kids to enjoy every single day. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.